Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
In a rough estimate, which will give almost to the tune of around 3,800 to 4,000 crores of revenue, on a money multiplying method to the state government. This is apart from the dearest foreign exchange, what the government of India will get. If we consider even 20 million ton also, in today's term, it will be minimum $1 billion of foreign exchange which will come to government of India's kitty. So which are big thing in today's scenario. So this is the direct economic impact this mining can give. Right away, I would say last 8 years multiplied by 4,000 crore. So that is the total loss to the economy or the Goan people, because that is the people loss.
So you are saying more than 30,000 crores.
Exactly. In last 8 years, it will be more than 30,000 crore. And if we look at the foreign exchange, because 2 years it was running. So, I mean, even though it is a sort of meager scale, but it was running, something was running. So even if I say the foreign exchange, it is near about say $7 to $8 billion of foreign exchange, which is directly lost.
So interestingly, Goa's total debt figure right now is around 20,000 to 21,000 crores. But what we have lost because of stoppage of mining is almost 10,000 crores more than that. So I think that perfectly explains the financial situation of the state of Goa.
Absolutely, absolutely. Even if you see, if I recollect the numbers, sometime in 2016, the Goa's average debt was near about say 14,000 crore, I believe, 2016-17. And today it is standing at 20,000 crore. So the figures are directly matching, in that way. 2017, if it is 4,000, and today, I mean, if the government doesn't get revenue, from where the government will take the money? Government can't go on putting the tax to the people, which is not the right thing for the government.